If you've been looking for cutting-edge AI software to streamline your work or enhance your digital marketing strategy, you need to check out GPT Panda. This brand new AI tool has just launched, and today I'm going to give you 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. You'll want to stick around until the end, because I've got a special bonus for you that will help you decide if GPT Panda is truly the game changer it promises to be. Plus, you can try it for free. Just click the first link in the description. First off, GPT Panda has a super intuitive interface that makes it accessible even for those who aren't experts in AI. The software is designed to be user-friendly, with a simple setup process that lets you start right away. Even if you're a beginner, you won't feel overwhelmed navigating the platform. Whether you're looking to automate content creation, streamline workflows, or improve customer interactions, this software has the tools to make those processes easier and more efficient. The second thing you need to know about GPT Panda is how incredibly versatile it is. It's not just for one specific type of user. Whether you're an entrepreneur, marketer, or small business owner, GPT Panda can be tailored to meet your needs. Its ability to generate human-like text, craft tailored marketing copy, and even assist with customer service makes it a well-rounded tool for almost any application. Plus, it adapts to your style, so you don't have to worry about creating content that feels robotic. Now, let's talk about its advanced machine learning capabilities. GPT Panda is built on one of the most powerful language models available today, offering fast and accurate results. It understands context, adapts to different writing styles, and produces high-quality content with minimal input. If you're creating blog posts, social media posts, or even complex reports, GPT Panda can handle it all, saving you a ton of time in the process. One of the standout features of GPT Panda is its customer support automation. With its built-in chatbot functionality, you can create automated responses that feel personal and natural. This means less time spent manually answering common questions and more time focusing on growing your business. GPT Panda helps you maintain a high level of customer engagement without losing the human touch that's so important in today's market. Another major benefit of GPT Panda is its flexibility with integration. If you're already using popular digital marketing tools like HubSpot or Zapier, GPT Panda seamlessly integrates with these platforms. That makes it even easier to automate your marketing campaigns, customer outreach, and data collection. It's the perfect addition to any existing system. Now, let's touch on something that really sets GPT Panda apart: its real-time updates and improvements. Unlike many AI tools that stagnate after launch, GPT Panda is consistently updated based on user feedback. The team behind the software is dedicated to improving the platform, which means you can expect new features and functionality over time, ensuring you're always ahead of the curve. Lastly, GPT Panda's pricing structure is highly competitive. Compared to other AI tools on the market, it offers great value for the features it provides. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, you'll find a plan that fits your budget and your needs. Plus, as mentioned earlier, you can try GPT Panda completely free through the first link below, so there's no risk in giving it a shot. If you're still on the fence about GPT Panda, remember this. After testing thousands of AI software solutions, I found that GPT Panda consistently delivers results that other tools just can't match. So after you try it, check out my recommended AI software in the description, where I break down the top solutions I trust. Don't forget, GPT Panda is ready for you to explore now, and you can try it for free. Click the link below, give it a test run, and see for yourself why this AI software is making waves. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.